So, dear colleagues, you will recall that 10 years ago, in spring 2013, an 8-story commercial building called Rana Plaza in Bangladesh collapsed. Thousands of tons of metal and concrete came crashing down, killing 1,134 people, hundreds of lives, garment workers, factory workers, mostly women, who only hours earlier had protested about the lack of safety of their working conditions before being told to get back to work. The Rana Plaza collapse in Bangladesh was a wake-up call for the Western world. And 10 years on, I would like to give the floor to a round of speakers to speak up about lessons learnt and about what the European Union has done to own up to the consequences of consumer preferences for abundance and affordability ahead of moderation and sustainability, because we have a responsibility here. So first, on behalf